here we got some green banana. So this is what on the menu for today. So we're gonna have some steamed fish cooked down in some coconut milk. Green banana. Fire would already split up. Yeah, so we're gonna catch a fire now. Fire actually catch it now. Let that blaze down to coal. Some nice frozen snapper. Green banana. See how here. One pepper up on the tree. Pumpkin patch. That's a beautiful pepper. Pepper for days. Beautiful. So we got them 2 coconuts of the ox out. Stay tuned for that, guys. Fully clean now. Fresh. Cut off the head them for the dog later. Cook some dog food with the head for the dog them later. Guys, look at it. Fully clean out. Salt to taste. Get some other season. All purpose on it now. Got that. Rub it all over it. Rub it some inside. All over it. And let it marinate. Yeah, fully seasoned now. The coconut fully blended now. I get it strained off. Yeah man, look at the coconut cream. Rich. Got that. Alright, see all of that milk now, guys. So make some coconut dumpling. Stay tuned for that. Time to get the pot on the fire. Milk in the pot now. Alright. Yeah, start boil up. Yes. Yes guys, we make some spinach, you know? Yeah man. All different style and size. I add some garlic. All of this green banana, I'm adding it in the pot. Time to add in the fish now, one at a time. The next one now, right there. Some blend up seasoning right here, so add a green pepper in there. 1 pot settings. Pure coconut milk, guys. Red snap up on it. Can you smell it? Rich. All of that skin in the pot. Yes. People fully cook already, you know, guys. Look on it. Rich. Yeah, look at my dinner, guys. Can you smell it? Coconut milk, there's a aroma out of it, guys. I wish you guys could have smelled it. Just like up a video here, guys. Journey to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Need to get monetized, my people. Chili pepper, guys. Yeah, so we cover that, make it go and simmer down. Stay tuned for that.